AI agents definitely sound futuristic, right? But you're probably already using them. Think of AI agents as digital coworkers. They don't sleep, don't forget, and never stop learning. They take tasks like data analysis, forecasting, or answering questions and handle them instantly. And the best part? You don't need to code or click 100 times, just ask. Behind the scenes, they're using machine learning, decision trees, and language models to get you answers. In business, AI agents speed up decisions, automate repetitive work, and uncover insights you'd miss. So yeah, AI agents aren't the future. They're already here, and they're changing how we work. At Lumenore, we built our own set of AI agents to do just that. Analyze, predict, explain, and act. Want to explore them? Let's talk.